In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between normal cutting and contour cutting. So pay close attention and let's get started. So let's start off with cutting. And as you can see, I've already loaded my artwork onto the software. So the next thing to do is you go to Cutter. Make sure that you've selected the right model and connection, and then on your cut mode, because this is normal cutting and no registration marks will be registered in this process, you have to always select origin point. And then once that is done, you cut. So that was normal cutting. Now, contour cutting is different. Let's get to that. So I have imported my drawing, which I want contour cutting on, and I will just activate my registration marks so to see if they fit on the page before I print. This is to make sure that your registration mark also get printed and thus appearing on your material before you can start cutting. Now, the next thing you do is you have to go onto Cutter. Make sure you have selected the right model and connection, and then on your cut mode, you have to switch from origin point to what you see is what you get. And then from here, instead of cut, we go to print and cut. Click on that and then start the alignment process. Now, make sure that you align your red eye to the first registration mark on your bottom right. And you do that by first pressing offline to access your X and Y margin, and then move your carriage and your material to position. Then once it's in position, you register the new origin point. And once that is done, we go ahead and register the rest of the registration marks. You click next, and then you move the laser eye by arrows on your keyboard to align. Then once that's done, you align the next one by pressing next, and then you move it into position by clicking on your left arrow as required. And once you have aligned the last registration mark, you click on origin. So now all you're left to do is to press cut. And that concludes the training for the Vinyl4 cutting. Now, of course, we did the training on the Vinyl4 hobby, but the exact same principle also applies on the Vinyl4 studio. Now, I sure hope you did enjoy watching this video, and I will catch you on the next one.